Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Stephanie. Today, you guys, I'm going to talk to you about another two products from a brand that I have introduced you to, and I use a number of their products. So, Pureauty Naturals. Y'all know I am a huge fan of their biotin hair serum. This is a serum that you put on your scalp once, twice, 3 times a week. Everybody's a little different how much they use it. I use mine twice a week, and a little bit goes a long way. This one, it either comes minty or orange. I've been a little bit addicted to the orange lately, so this one's my orange scented one. The other product that I've introduced you guys to recently was they have this wonderful dark spot cream. So I have been talking for how many years now on YouTube about my sun damage and all the different dark spots that I'm dealing with, especially on my left side of my face, as many of us have that issue because we drive cars. We sit on the left side of our car. The left side of our face is exposed to the sun through the side window. I've got a lot of sun damage there. So I've been using this. This is a great product to use because otherwise, honestly, you have to go to a doctor to get a prescription, and that's just a whole crazy next level. This stuff is wonderful. But Pureauty Naturals has lip products I wanted to introduce you guys to. So they have 2 lip products that comes in a bundle on their website. The first one I use at night, and I love it, you guys. This is what it looks like. This is their collagen lip mask, and it is literally just a little bit goes a long way. I'm going to show you guys. You can tell I've been using it. It's wonderful. It has what feels to me like the hint of peppermint, but it has got some amazing products in it. Shea butter. We all know how amazing shea butter is in skincare, and jojoba oil. So this is going to hydrate and soften your lips. Right now, for me, living in Wisconsin, you guys, I'm in and out of the cold, and it has been crazy weather this fall. My fellow YouTubers who are in Wisconsin can tell you guys, one day we're above freezing, the next day we're below freezing, and the next day after that, the wind is howling, and it's like 14 degrees out, and we're getting windburned, and, chapped lips from being out in the cold, and then it's raining again. So I have been literally dealing with, for over probably 6 weeks now, constantly getting dry, chapped lips. If I forget to use this, I pay for it because I'll go outside. My lips will get chapped. If I forget to use this, I start peeling and getting super dry. This has been absolutely fantastic. I put a little bit on, smooth it in on my lips before I go to bed. I'm telling you guys, my lips wake up. I'm not peeling anymore. They're super hydrated. So I love this product. However, what I'm wearing right now is they have a wonderful lip plumping product. This is what it looks like. It's got a little dofa. I am wearing it. Super easy. And again, this one, you guys, a little bit goes a very long way. Oh, and I love it because it smells of peppermint. So this one, again, is their lip plumper, and it has jojoba oil in it, peppermint, and castor oil because it plumps. Those 3 ingredients are amazing for lips, and the peppermint and the castor oil help provide that plumping. Now, I just put this on probably 10 minutes ago. Can you guys see my lower lip? I put it on there first because I usually spread it on my lower lip and then do that to kind of spread it around. You see my lower lip has gotten a little larger. Yeah, love this product. So Pureauty Naturals sell these as like basically a bundle on their website, $40 value. And you guys, they look tiny. I am telling you, a very little bit goes a very long way. Like, you could probably wipe off half of what comes out on the dofa before you put it on your lips because it spreads around so easily. It's wonderful. And this, I'm not kidding you guys, like the tiniest little itty bitty dab will spread around on your lips. This will last you a long time. I have barely made a dent in this, and I have been using this for 6 weeks. So, wonderful thing is Pureauty Naturals sent me a bundle to give away to you guys. One of my lucky subscribers is going to win this lip bundle. This is a $40 value. These were provided to me by Pureauty Naturals, all right, to give away to you guys, okay? So let's talk about how you enter. First of all, you need to be subscribed to my channel publicly. If you don't understand how to do that, I do have information from YouTube down below on the description on this video. So you need to be publicly subscribed to my channel. You do need to have a mailing address here in the United States. And it needs to be a US Postal Service mailing address, okay? I am going to send these to the winners through the US mail. You need to be an adult, 18 years of age or older, all right? I'm not responsible for any taxes on this at all. Like I said, these products were provided by the company Pureauty Naturals. I will put a link down below to their website if you guys want to check them out. Like I said, this bundle sells for $40. You guys, don't be fooled by the size of these. These are going to last you a long time because I have been using these easily for 6 weeks and I have barely made a dent. I mean, barely made a dent in this. So be careful if you do get them that you don't go crazy because you're going to waste a lot of product. It just a little bit goes such a long way. So all the rules basically on this little giveaway are going to be down below in the description, all the full rules, okay? We're going to go ahead and let this giveaway run through the end of December, okay? So we're going to go ahead and cut it off on New Year's Eve, which is the 31st of December, and it'll be 6 p.m. Central Time, okay? I will be using a comment picker to pick the winner, so you do need to use the word lip, okay? What I would like you to do is tell me a story about how you would find these lip products useful, okay? Tell me what you're interested in, if you're interested in them, what your problems with your lips are. I don't per se need my lips to be extra huge, but I appreciate that lip plumping because it really makes your like whole face pop, right? So yeah, tell me a little story. I want to know. I want to know what you think. Which one you're more interested in. Are you excited about them both? Yeah. Let me know. And of course, you guys, I think whoever the winner is, I do believe Pureauty Naturals would really appreciate your honest review on their website for these products once you've had a chance to try them out and use them. So I hope that the winner would be willing to do that. Like I said, I've been using them for a while, and you guys, honestly, I love them. For a while, I couldn't find this, and I was like having a total full-blown panic. But I found it, and I'm so happy I found it. It got misplaced in our bathroom, and yeah, I was having a little minor canary looking for it. But like I said, I use that lip mask at night, and I use my lip plumper during the day. So let me know if you got questions, you guys. As I have always said, I'm always open to answering questions if I can give you an answer. And check out my other videos, you guys, on these other two Pureauty Naturals products I have used. I have been using their Biotin Hair Serum for a long time now. It does come in 2 scents. It comes either with a wonderful mint scent, which I really do enjoy, but I like to switch in the winter time to like, I don't know, I love the smell of like tropical citrus, which is kind of orangey, and I think I like that because it's wintertime, and it kind of makes me think of summer. But the other one, like I said, I've been using is a dark spot corrector. If you're like me and you've got a lot of sun damage and dark spots, daily use of this is going to help fade those dark spots. So again, rules are down below in the description. Let me know if you got questions. You need to use the Super Secret word to be entered in this giveaway. Please let me know your thoughts. All right. Thanks, guys, so much. I appreciate your time. Thank you to Pureauty Naturals for providing these products for my giveaway. I very much appreciate it. All right, guys. Have a good one. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everybody.